Anytime he says, you know, I just want to punch you in the face, you're going to be like, okay, go ahead.
Okay, so I'm going to...
You took hot sauce for me.
I'm going to for him to do it.
You'll be the weakest.
Tazan, yes.
I'm taking that Tabasco.
I don't like it.
I'm taking it.
Damn. For what?
Let me take it.
No, open your mouth. No, I'm let go. Let go.
Malachi, you should man up and put yourself in that situation.
Oh, stomach already like...
Oh, we are not my stomach.
Dude, that stuff's not as hot as the Tapatio.
And it actually smells good too.
No, that's not.
Let him go. He's going to do it. He's going to do it. I'm getting tired. Just hold your nose. Come on.
Hey, dude.
Open. Move,
This
guys.
is when
Move.
you gotta learn to accept
No,
responsibility for
let me
your
do it.
actions.
Let me
Back
do it.
up.
Okay.
Come on,
Well, you know, I got to get to your mouth, though.
You got it, dude. You got it. Quit being a little girl.
Do we got any more?
Not as bad as you think.
No.
There's water. There's
Dude,
soda.
there's macaroni
You can have that
cheese
soda right there when you're done.
I'm not gonna do anything.
It's got milk in it. It's cheese.
Let me go get him a...
It has milk.
Dairy.
Wait, no, I gave him that juice right here. This is your
That's
chaser.
not enough for him.
Okay, then have the Sprite that's right there. That's Gasson's. Here,
7 up.
7 up. Open.
Drink the juice first, though.
Open.
There you go.
What?
Let me take it. Let me take it.
Open.
No, let me take it.
Hey, Malachi, you gotta
Want me to
remember.
get you some water?
It's dripping.
Dude, you put yourself in this spot, so you gotta do it.
Let me
Want to
take
get
it.
you water real quick?
Your arms.
Hey, what were you talking smack earlier? I ain't ever giving up. Totally giving up right
Yeah,
now.
you're giving up right now.
Totally giving up.
Can someone stop wiggling? I'm trying to build
There you go. He's got it.
Swallow it. Swallow it. Fast, 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 fast.
Got it.
Eat some of that macaroni and cheese. Eat some of that mac and cheese.
Just scoop it up with your hands.
Yeah. Don't be all proper. Is it hot?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Drink the
Eat the mac and
Sprite.
cheese, dude. Eat
Drink
the mac
the
and
Sprite.
cheese.
Hey,
I would have
that's
ate
mine.
food. That's the thing.
My grandma's all taking pictures like...
Dude, eat some mac and cheese.
High five, brother. Was it hot?
No,
which
eat it.
one was hotter?
The first one was hotter, wasn't it?
Be everyone dead!
He took it.
are you challenging now?
Oh,
Baron?
no, I'm taking it.
No, I'll go Baron.
I
I'll go
want to
Baron.
go against him. I want
You want
to
to
win
go?
that.